Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at some booster packs for the Power Rangers action card game. I got 4 of them here, and I thought we'll open them up and see what's inside since we opened up the starter last time. So let's see what we got here. These are made by Bandai, made in Singapore. There's 115 cards in the Guardians of Justice booster series. So these are Guardians of Justice. Each collectible card pack includes 6 commons, 3 rare, and 1 special insert. 1 super rare holographic card or 1 ultra rare holographic card. So let's see what we got here. Alright, first thing we've got is a little advertisement reminding us that if you scan your card with the app, it'll let you watch a little video from the show. And of course they're plugging the little morpher device that you can scan the cards. And then it plays sounds. And it announces the power level for that card. That's riveting. So let's see what we got here in this pack. First we've got a foil Green Samurai Ranger. I do dig the foils on here, they're kind of cool looking. Let's move these other packs out of the way here so we can get more of that on film. We'll leave that separate. Then we've got a Desperano, Phoenix Mechazord, Octomus, a Red Ninja Storm Ranger, a Red SPD Ranger, a Blue SPD Ranger, a Gold RPM Ranger, a Yellow Space Ranger, and lastly a Blue SPD Ranger SWAT. So it looks like a pretty good pack. We got a good assortment of Rangers there. Let's check out our second pack here. These are from 2013. These are officially licensed from Saban, so Bandai isn't just making bootleg stuff. Quality of the cards is good. The back of the cards look pretty cool too, so. Alright, our special here's a foil Titan Megazord. That's pretty cool looking. Then we've got a Gosi Grand Megazord, a Vexicus, a Lion Folding Zord, a Blue Megaforce Ranger, a Yellow SPD Ranger, a Red SPD Ranger SWAT, a Pink SPD Ranger SWAT, a Red Galaxy Ranger, and lastly a Gold RPM Ranger. Alright, let's look at our third pack. So far they're pretty cool. It's mostly Rangers, of course, but that's kind of to be expected. These packs are a little hard to open, probably for security purposes. Alright, first card we've got is the Paleo Max Megazord. That's our foil. Then we've got a Silver RPM Ranger, a Rita Repulsa. Then we have Korag, probably pronouncing that one wrong, Blue Megaforce Ranger, Red Megaforce Ranger, a Blue SPD Ranger, a Yellow Megaforce Ranger, a Yellow SPD Ranger SWAT, and lastly a Red Megaforce Ranger. Now let's get into this last pack here. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we got here. We've got a Titan Megazord. It's pretty cool. A Gold RPM Ranger. A Go-See Great Megazord. Swordfish Zord. Green Mystic Force Ranger. Red SPD Ranger. Pink SPD Ranger. Red Samurai Ranger. A Red Space Ranger. And lastly, a Green Lightspeed Rescue Ranger. So that's all 4 packs there. We got decent stack of cards, lots of Rangers. We got 1 duplicate on the foils, which is the Titan Megazord, which is a little disappointing. Out of 4 packs that we get 2 of the same one, but it could have been worse. It could have been more than that. They're still pretty cool foils, so not too bad. Pretty decent assortment of cards, I guess. Lots of Rangers from the different series, so if you have a particular taste, you're probably got a good chance of pulling at least 1 or 2 of those Rangers over the course of a few packs. So it looks like there's 10 cards per pack, which isn't too bad. You get 6 commons, 3 rare, 1 special insert. So that's it for the Guardians of Justice boosters. We did 4 packs. It's the Power Rangers action card game from Bandai and Saban Entertainment. So that should do it for this episode. Give you kind of an idea of what's in the packs, what you can expect. And we hope to see you next time. We're going to do the Universe of Hope booster packs. We got 4 of those on deck. And we hope to see you for that. And we'll see you next time on What's Inside.